First up, we've got the dreaded motor vibrations. You know the feeling, your teeth are chattering, your hair is standing on end, and your neighbors are knocking on your door wondering if you're running a go-kart track in your garage. But fear not, my friends, because we've got some tricks up our sleeve to help solve this noisy problem. Now, let's talk clutches. You might think that a wobbly clutch is cause for concern, but not so fast, my friend. Sometimes things aren't always as they seem. When we took off the clutch, we saw that the flywheel was also wobbling a bit, but that's apparently no problem. But wait, there's more. We took everything apart, checked the adapter, and even consulted a professional lathe expert who also knew more about motors and transmissions. And what did we find? We were missing a bearing. Easy fix, right? Wrong. Turns out, the bearing didn't quite fit. But did that stop us?
The motor has this adapter thing. This is like the outer adapter plate which connects to the gearbox. The yellow thing is the flywheel, the blue thing is the electric motor shaft, and the white thing the adapter plate. And then we have the flywheel which is mounted straight into the adapter plate. But we need to fit more things here. This is the bearing that we need there. It was missing before. We need to have a bearing there to get rid of the vibrations. It fits in the hole, it's just that there's 1 millimeter of play. But we can solve that, I guess. This is the gearbox. If I could somehow move this guy 14 millimeters further in, this is almost 14. So if I move this guy that far in, there's not much space left for the adapter. Then it will be the wrong size, it won't fit perfectly. I mean, here's the flywheel. And you can see that it starts here with a bigger diameter, and then it goes in and becomes a smaller diameter. It has to be longer than 10 millimeters for it to be able to do anything, because otherwise if it's less than 10 millimeters it will be in the bigger groove and then it won't be able to center. This bearing fits here perfectly, so they're both 15 millimeters, very tight fit, so it's perfect. And in here it doesn't fit perfectly, because there's 1 millimeter difference. I didn't find a bearing that had this diameter, so...
But did that stop us? No way. We're motorheads, and we don't back down from a challenge. So what did we do? We got creative, that's what. We added some aluminum tape to the bearing to make it fit. It may not be pretty, but hey, it gets the job done. So there you have it, folks. When it comes to engines and transmissions, you never know what you're gonna get. But with a little bit of elbow grease, some creativity, and a whole lot of determination, you can conquer any motor-related challenge that comes your way. Thanks for joining us on this wild ride, and happy motoring!